Okay, for all my naturalistas out there, get into this. Get into this, girls.
Skin like chocolate, I call her cocoa. Make she follow me go and fly away.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. First, I would like to thank Beauty Forever for this gorgeous wig. And it came with some goodies, as you can see, some eyelashes, a wig cap, and an adjustable strap or band to lay down your wigs to make them, flawless. So let's get into this unit. All right, again, this is from Beauty Forever, and it's from Amazon. So hi. This is how the wig came, you guys. It is a wear and go kinky curly wig. Look at that texture. It is absolutely gorgeous. 24 inches in length. The hairline was already pre-tweezed, pre-plucked. It was a pre-cut lace. You guys, this is beginner friendly. Absolutely beginner friendly. 100% glueless. All you have to do is put your makeup on the lace, plop that baby on like I just did, and look, you're pretty much almost ready to go. So, in order to make sure that the, lace melted into my skin, I used my contour brush that I had just recently used to do my makeup to blend that into the lace on the front. So you can't see that demarcation, as you can see. 100% glueless, you guys. No glue whatsoever. I keep lifting it up and I keep showing you that this is glueless. You can wear it that way. So, if you're interested in this baby, of course, I have all the details listed down below, you guys. If I were you, I would go ahead and snatch this one up. I was thoroughly, happily, ecstatically pleased with this particular unit. All right, so once again, all the details will be listed down below. Go ahead and pick it up and slay. All right, it's an easy beginner slay, and I will see you later. All right, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. All right,